This is Amazon's best-selling interactive pet toy, specifically more for cats really. I've got two hairy goblins. They love running around. They love this stuff. So I thought I better take a look. I better get it just for the science. And this is really, really good. This is a really, really robust laser pointer. We've got these before. We've got the little tiddly ones that are on like key rings, but this one's definitely an upgrade. So on here, you have got first of all, just the outside of it, there is a little clip. So if you did want to put it in your pocket as well, this is not just for cats. It is like, if you use it for meetings, that kind of stuff, and you want to take it to work, you can put it in there. It's got a little wrist strap as well. It also has a USB for charging, so no batteries, which is really good. Really like that. I don't like messing with those little batteries. And with this one, it has three torch sort of settings. One, it has first one, which is the red light one, which is the laser pointer. Then it has the blue light there for like, do you want to check your notes, that kind of stuff. And if you really want to see what's under this light, I don't want to look, but personally, you've got that one. And then you've got a standard torch as well, which is also really handy to have. It's a good one to put into your bag. And with the red laser pointer, the reasons why this was really appealing to me is because it has different patterns on it. I did play with Doodle last night with the laser pointer to see how he reacted to the laser pointer itself, and also the different patterns. He seemed to be enjoying himself, so that is the main thing, bless him. So I'll give you a little preview on there. So the way that it works is you would rotate, here there's like a little rotator, and that would change like the little cap on the top to give the different patterns. There is a plain laser, there is a smiley face, there's a butterfly, and a star. They seem to all be popular, mostly the butterfly, I think. But yeah, generally overall, it was really popular in our house. I like the fact it's rechargeable. It's got a really strong beam. It's got a stronger beam than the ones that I had with the batteries. And I like the fact it's got the extra torches on there as well, which is just a bonus. So yeah, we have given it a big paws up and a thank you, Mum. In our house, we seem to like that one. So that's going to be our pre-bedtime Zoomy creator. Get the Zoomies out of them before we all go to bed. So yeah, I think it's a really good product. I can see why it's the #1 selling interactive pet toy on Amazon. So yeah, we enjoyed it and we recommend it.